with your Google Meets because you see yourself in the Meet, but the people who are participating with you can't see you. It's actually a problem with Chrome itself. So what we're going to do here is we're going to completely delete it and start it up again. You also want to be very sure that if you wish to save all your bookmarks, you should sync your Chrome. That way when you sign in on any device, you'll have access to all of the same bookmarks. So when you're in Chrome, quite simply, go up here and click Chrome. This problem only seems to affect Mac environments. So until Google comes around with a fix or an update of their own, this is the way we found that we can solve the problem for all users. So over here in applications, we're going to find Google Chrome, command delete to get rid of it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to keep our Finder open and we're going to go to Go up here. When I hold down the Option key, you'll notice that Library becomes an option. I'm going to click on that, and from there, I'm going to go to Application Support, find Google again, and I'm going to Command A, grab both of these, and Command delete them. From this point, I'm going to go find my hard drive, go to the Library, again Application Support, again Google, and this time I'm going to delete this file. Command delete, that's gone. I'll have to use my password for this. Alright, the next thing I want to do is, I need to empty my trash. And you should always be emptying your trash. Next step, go to Firefox. Now we're just going to install Chrome again, and this solves the problem. So I will not only see myself in my Google Meet, but other people will be able to see me as well. It doesn't affect all Macs. If you're having this problem, this is the quickest, easiest solution for you until they fix the problem on their end. Make sure you have Mac 10.0 or later. You can just go over here about this Mac, and then you can see right over here what you're running. All right, I'm gonna download that. I know I have the Intel chip. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna drag this down here, and that's gonna take care of it. Over here in applications, I see Google Chrome again. Double tap on it, and this sets you up, and your problem is solved. Warning: you have to make sure you use the sync feature in Chrome if you want to save all your bookmarks. Otherwise, you could download it as a file, but if you sync, you don't have to worry about that. Also, all of the people up here need to be re-input now.